Yeah?
Huh?
Ooh, that's good.
I got a bunch.
A bunch?
Yeah, look at this one. Look at how fat he is. If I can get him.
Alright everybody, just a quick video to do the drawing in response to our free trip giveaway. So I've got a random drawing set up. There was a handful of people that entered, so we're going to do the drawing, give away a morning fishing trip. So pretty excited to get to meet you guys and take you fishing. So anyway, look forward to it. So good luck. Alright, so these are the people that commented on the video, and here we go. Alright, so what this is going to do is it's going to draw two names. Name number one will be the overall winner. And in the event that we can't get something put together to where number one can go or number one doesn't want to go, we'll take number two. So good luck, and here we go. Alright, so Aaron Zavala, looks like you and your dad are the first place. So I'll send out my email. You guys contact me. We'll get a date set up. Hopefully here in the next 3 or 4 weeks. The fish are biting pretty good. I'll put a couple pictures on of what we did yesterday. And we'll take you guys fishing. Show you around Lake Conroe. Try to catch you on some fish. Donald Blanton, the runner-up. If any reason Aaron can't get something put together, you'll be our second shot. So congratulations, guys. Thanks for commenting and sharing videos. And thanks for everybody's support for the Addicted Texas Outdoors. Have a great one.